G'day guys, how you doing? Shane from Shane Shed back here again. Quick job today, long range tank. I've got a little fuel filter here, just a real cheap jobbies, like under $5 or whatever they are. It's just used for the transfer line from the sub tank into the main, so just mainly to suck some of the bigger dirt particles out, but the old one's been in there for a little while, so get in and change this one out. So all the extra lines are all behind the guard, so I'm just going to rip off this fender flare. I'm just going to pop this in a guard, plastic guard back, and we can access it through from there. With that fender flare removed, we can pull back and we can see that's our filter that's just sitting in there. So we'll change that over and throw a new one in. Whenever you're transferring fuel in this sort of method, it definitely pays to have some sort of filter in the line. It just makes sense anytime you're moving fuel around to filter it. It's far easier to keep fuel clean. Tell you what, these certainly hang on to the hoses quite well. Yeah, these style filters are really quite common with carburetted engines, and they don't really require super clean fuel, or not to the standards of a lot of modern engines. The okay thing about these is they're clear, so you can see what's in it, and this has been in for probably about 30,000 k, so each time I'm filling up I've got 100 litres in the sub, so this has probably gone through a couple of thousand litres of diesel, I'd say. There's not too much crap in there. I mean, at the end of the day, would I like something better, a bigger filter in there? Yeah, sure, but there's not much space to be working with in there. I mean, you see I've got a decent fuel pump in there, and that takes up a fair bit of space, but it does the job. Anyway, that's in there now, so let's just turn that transfer pump on and check for some leaks. That's all done, no leaks, so time to put everything back together. Well, that's it guys, I'll see you next time. If you like my style of videos, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers guys.